So there is 260x plus 40y, because 40 boxes of B type can be accommodated, and then it is totally loaded, and fully loaded, that is what, 10 ton. Okay, so is equal to 10. Now again you divide by 10. Clear? So again you divide by 10. So divided by 10. क्लियर? सो इफ यू डिवाइड बाय 10 तो क्या हो जाएगा आपका, दैट विल बी 260x ना, 260x प्लस 40y, 260x plus 40y is equal to 10. So 20, it will be divided by 10. So 26x plus 4y is equal to 1. So 26x plus 4y is equal to 1. So this is the second equation. Clear? So this is the second equation. Now you, what you do, now you solve these both equation. Okay, by solving both equations. Clear? So what is there? First equation was there, that is 15x plus 10y is equal to 1. This was the first equation. And second is what? 26x plus 4y is equal to 1. This is what? Second equation. Clear? Now you can see here, no, neither the variable of x is are equals in both the equation, nor variable of y equal in the both equation. So what we do, we will do equalize. Okay, we will do equalize either of the y variable term or the x वेरिएबल टर्म. अगर x वाले को करना चाहो तो वो तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा, बिकॉज 26 का मल्टीप्लाई इसमें करना पड़ेगा, इसमें 15 का करना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, ओके, तो वी विल डू बाय 4, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 इन दिस इक्वेशन, ओके, इन फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 इन सेकेंड इक्वेशन. ओके, तो फॉर द मेकिंग इक्वल टर्म्स ऑफ y. So what is there? 4 15s are, so multiplying by 4 in equation 1 and multiplying by 10 in equation 2. क्लियर? सो आप करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा आपका, 4 से करेंगे आप तो कितना हो जाएगा, दिस इज 60x प्लस 4 10 जा 40y इज इक्वल टू 4 1 जा 4. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द first equation. Okay, we did multiply na, so this is what, third equation. Okay, same as you do multiply by 10 in second equation. So 10 26, that is what, 260x. Clear? 260x plus 4 10 are 40y, okay, is equal to 10 ones are 10. This is what, fourth equation. Clear? Now what I told you, why we are doing multiply, we are multiplying to do same terms. Okay, and here is y is the same term. Okay, now y, both y are the same term, so here is minus, we will change the sign. Okay, because we are subtracting. So subtracting. 260 minus 60, that is what? Plus minus minus. So 260 minus 60, that is what? 200x. And sign always of greater. Greater is what? 260. So 200x. And plus minus minus. So as both are cancelled, is equal to plus minus minus. So sign always of greater. So that is what? Minus 6. Okay. So minus 200 x is equal to minus 6. So x is equal to 6 minus 6 upon minus 200. So x is equal to 2 3 6, 200. Okay, is equal to x is equal to what? 3 upon 100. Okay, so you got x is equal to 3 upon 100. Now what you do? Substituting. Now substituting. X is equal to 3 upon 100 in equation 1. ओके, तो आप x इज इक्वल टू 3 अपॉन 100 क्या करेंगे? इक्वेशन 1 में आप कर दीजिए. सो यू विल डू इट. सो देयर फोर implies that equation 1 is what? 15 into x. 15 into x. In place of x is what? This is the equation 1 na? 15 into x. X is what? 3 upon 100 plus 10 upon y. 10y. 10y is equal to 1. So implies that 15 3 is 45 upon 100 plus 10y is equal to 1. Clear? Okay, so this is there. So implies that 14 upon 100. 14 upon 100 is what? That is 14 upon 100. It will go, it is a fraction. Okay, it will go right hand side. So 10y is equal to 1 minus 14 5 upon 100. So 10y is equal to 1 minus 45 upon 100. Clear? Implies that 10y is equal to 1 minus 45 upon 100, that is 100 1 is 100. 100 minus 45 upon 100 implies that 10y is equal to 100 minus 45, that is what? 55. Okay, upon 100. So implies that 5 11s are 55, 5 20s are okay 100. So 10y is equal to 11 upon 20. So implies that y is equal to 11 upon 20 divided by 10. It is coming, 10 is multiplied, so it is coming, so it will be divided. So divide by 10. Okay, so into 1 upon 10. Clear? Now is equal to, what is the answer? So 11 upon 200. You will get what? 11 upon 200. Okay, so this is the final answer. Clear? So you got value of x and y. So what is the weight of one box you got? That is x. And x is how much? That is you got 3 upon 100. So क्या हो जाएगा आंसर? Here this is y, here this is x. Okay, so what is the answer? The weight the weight of a box of type A is equal to 3 upon 100 ton. Okay, clear? Or 0.03 ton. Okay, and weight of box B is equal to 55 upon 1000 or 11 upon 200 ton. Clear? Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, if you want to answer in kg, so if you want to answer in kg, so 0.03 ton, that is equal to what? 0.03 it is ton na? If you want to convert it into kilograms, so into 100 into 1000, so is equal to how much you got? 30 kg. Clear? And 0.55 ton is equal to 0.55 into 1000, so is equal to what? 55 kg. Clear? So this is in kilogram. Okay, this is in kilogram, and this was the ton answer. So whatever you can take, there is no issue. Clear? Now first question being completed. Now the next question, that is sixth question. So what is the sixth question? Sixth question is that out of 1900 kilometer, okay, out of 1900 kilometer, so out of 1900 kilometer, Vishal traveled some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Okay, कुछ distance उसने 1900 किलोमीटर में कुछ distance उसने he completed by the bus and other some distance by the aeroplane. Now bus traveled with average speed of 60 kilometer per hour, and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 kilometer per hour. Okay, there was speed of bus is what? 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, speed of bus was 60 kilometer per hour, and speed of the average speed of the aeroplane was 700 kilometer per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Total journey by the bus and by the aeroplane. So both total time, if you want, if you calculate, so it is what? 5 hours. 5 hours. Clear? Now find the distance Vishal traveled by bus. You have to find out distance that traveled by bus. Okay, they not asking how much distance traveled by the aeroplane, but they asking about the bus. Okay, how much distance? Because some distance he covered by the aeroplane and some distance by the bus. So they asking how much distance they covered by the bus. Clear? So in this question, what we will do? So here is solution. So what they asking? We will start from there. Okay, so they asking x kilometer. Okay, x kilometer by bus. So let Vishal traveled x kilometer. X kilometer by bus. Okay, and y kilometer by aeroplane by aeroplane. Clear? So therefore time time t is equal to what? Distance upon speed. Clear? So you know time taken t is equal to how much? Distance upon speed. This is the formula. Okay. Therefore time taken by Vishal, okay, while traveling by bus. So is equal to how much? Distance is how much? तो बस से डिस्टेंस कितना कवर किया? ही कवर्ड डिस्टेंस बाय बस दैट इज एक्स किलोमीटर. ओके, सो हियर डिस्टेंस इज व्हाट? एक्स. एंड वाई वाज covering the distance by bus, I was going when he was going by bus, then speed was what? Speed was 60 kilometer per hour. So x upon 60, this is the time taken, okay, in r. Clear? In r. Okay, now same as time taken by Vishal while when he was traveling with plane. Okay, so in this situation is equal to, that is what? By plane, that is y kilometer. Okay, so here distance upon time, distance is how much? That is y kilometer upon what was its speed? What was speed of the plane? That is 700 kilometer per hour. So 700 distance upon speed, that is what? 700, y upon 700. Clear? Now by the given condition, so by the given condition, what will be there? So you have to find out clue. Okay, now how we can find out any clue, any logic which one you can apply. Okay, so how much ये डिस्टेंस कवर्ड, ओके ना, जितना भी डिस्टेंस कवर्ड हो, बट डेफिनेटली दिस इज 100% राइट दैट द both the distances, if you make sum of the both distances, we have to make two equations, okay, and think how it can be. Okay, you have to apply the logic. देखिए एक लॉजिक तो यहाँ से मिलता है कि x किलोमीटर बाय द बस, y किलोमीटर बाय द plane. So if we add both, यानी कि x plus y, so we will get how much? If we add both, so x plus y, then how much we will get? We will get x plus y is equal to total distance is how much? That is 1900 kilometer. Okay, so total distance 1900 kilometer. So by the given condition, x distance plus y distance is equal to 1900. This is the equation 1. Clear? So this equation 1, and second is what? So you equalize the distance covered. Okay, same as you can apply logic for the time also. Okay, so how much time taken by the bus and time taken by the plane, okay, जितना भी हो, no issue. But if you add both, so what will the time? Okay, total time takes cover the 5 hours. It is given in the book in the last line. What is given last line? In last line, it takes 5 hours to complete the journey. It means time taken by the bus and time taken by the plane. If we add both, so we have to get 5 hours. Okay, so क्या हो जाएगा? X upon 60 plus y upon 700 is equal to how much? That is you will get total time taken is what? 5 hours. Okay, so 5 hours. Now these both equations are there. This is the second equation. Clear? Now you got second equation also. Okay, so now you solve these two equations. So how you can solve this? So I am here solving this